visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid, and I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so believe in the divine timing, no? Kung kailan niyo po ito napanood, the reading is meant to find you. With the Nine of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Bakit parang kahit maganda pa itong simula, maganda pa yung nakikita, maganda pa yung pinangako, I am turning my back on this. Parang sinasabi dito na ayoko na, hindi ko na kailangan, parang hinahahayaan ko na lang, no, na masayang. Whether this attitude or whether this energy is from you or from your person, one thing's for sure, may isa ditong parang hayaan ko na lang. Ganun talaga, no? Nag-invest ako ng time, energy, effort, emotion, ng pera kahit papaano. Of course, yung pagod ko, no? Yung tulog. Pero ganun talaga, no? Parang I just surrendered. Ayoko nang ipaglaban, ayoko nang ibigay yung kasi parang said na rin ako, no? Parang my energy here is konti na lang yung natitira para sa akin, and ayokong ubusin dahil baka mabaliw ako, no? Or baka talagang pumutok ako, ma-trigger ako kung ano lang masabi ko or kung anong magawa ko. So, I'm reserving this small amount of energy for my sanity, no, for my peace, kahit hindi naman na ako peaceful, dahil madami na rin akong iniisip, parang hahayaan ko na lang, no. Siguro talagang pinaglaban natin ito, parang feeling mo, okay, this is the end of it, no, ibibigay ko na lang, no, kay universe, bahala na siya. Kung para sa akin, pag hindi, edi hindi. So with the Five of Pentacles clarified with the Death card and the Six of Pentacles, so nanawa ka sa sitwasyon na on off, no? Meron ditong situation din na yun nga, away bate, baka kasi din na konting kibot ang nagiging solusyon is maghiwalay na tayo. Parang nakakapagod din, nakakasawa din, no? Babalik na naman tayo sa mag-e-effort, you know, papatawad, lalo na kung paulit-ulit ginagawa yung mga kasalanan. So what's the sense of me giving forgiveness kung wala namang pagbabago, no? Parang sabi nga nila, the action, a promise without action is just pure manipulation. So parang minamanipula mo lang ako, no? Nangangako ka lang. In actuality, wala naman talagang nangyayari, no? So with the Hierophant and the Hermit, so parang you make peace with the situation, with yourself. I think that the enlightenment here is parang eto na yon, no? Hindi ko na kailangan ng mahaba pang explanation, hindi ko na kailangan ng makinig pa, marinig pa yung boses. It felt like, you know, parang pinapakita din naman sa akin ni universe na ito yung mga sign, eh. Pinapakita din sa akin ni universe na parang this is my conclusion or assumption or theory with regard to this connection. I made peace with it and probably let go, no? Siguro sinasabi mo rin dito, mas matino siguro ako or mas matahimik ang buhay ko kung wala itong taong 'to. So nandun tayo sa, ah, pinipili na natin yung sarili natin. So parang na-realize natin mas importante yung sarili ko kesa 'no, ayusin pa itong relationship na ito. Well, hindi natin yan masisisi pagdating sa, decision making dahil oo naman kung ako din naman yung nasa situation, malamang gano'n din gagawin ko 'no. Dahil wala namang pagbabago, walang nangyayari, hindi umuusad, ayoko yung na-stuck lang ako, eh, 'no. 'Di ba sinasabi nga natin minsan, being in a stagnant situation may be a blessing. Pero kung yung ganitong stagnation nandun lang ako sa loop, paulit-ulit lang nangyayari, I think it's much better for me to move forward and leave it behind, no? So with the Knight of Pentacles, the World card, and the King of Swords. So speaking of stagnation, which is the Knight of Pentacles, so bago pa lumabas si Knight of Pentacles, eto na, nakita na natin, no? Nasabi pala natin. And the World card, so you want to change the stagnation and the King of Swords. Parang the King of Swords is in you, no? I want kaayusan. Maybe kaayusan not for my partner, not for my jowa, but kaayusan, no? Sa sarili ko. Alignment between my heart and my mind. Alignment between, my sanity and yung peace na nararamdaman ko o dapat maramdaman ko sa puso ko, 'no? Para kasing, things are messier, life is messier kapag nandiyan siya. Siguro kailangan kong tanggapin na kaya ito nangyayari dahil si universe parang sinasabi, "O ano, kailan ka magigising, kailan ka matututo?" 'No? So, yun nga, with the King of Swords, more of ah, itutuwid ko 'no, ang buhay ko. The Seven of Cups and the High Priestess. I think that this is you, although na nandito ka pa sa relationship 'no, parang pakiwari natin is you're opening a lot of doors while you are in a relationship, which means siguro sige, may pag-aantay pero hindi ako kikilos, that's another cup kasi Seven of Cups ito 'no. On the other cup, habang nag-aantay ako, I'm putting my attention to another hobbies. Let's say cross stitch, knitting 'no, crochet, ayan, or probably, nag-aaral akong kumanta, nagbabasa ako ng bagong libro, meron, i-improve ako by going to the gym or, learning something important. Or probably, ifo-focus ko yung sarili ko sa trabaho or sa business para umunlad ang pera ko, no? Or dumami ang pera ko. With the High Priestess, it's more of now you're balancing things. Siguro kasi dati naka-focus lang tayo, no? Mainly dito sa relationship. Parang doon umikot yung mundo natin. Wherein nakalimutan natin that there's different aspects of our life na medyo dapat tinitingnan din natin or binibigyan ng pansin, which I feel like you are doing. So yeah, kudos to you. Hindi dahil gusto ko masira yung relasyon nyo. Hindi ako ganun ka-bitter. Actually, I'm praying and hoping na, umayos. Pero at least, nandito ka sa, nakikita mo na yung sarili mo. Dati kasi ang focus mo nandun lang. Ngayon, para kang nakaharap sa salamin, you're seeing your reflection, and if there's um a person needs improvement in here, whether this is in physical or lifestyle, that is you. So congratulations. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person, pero bago po yan, gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo na this is kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. At kung meron kayong mga personal na katanungan, there's actually a link sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Pisces, Libra. I'm seeing Aquarius, Leo. I am seeing Scorpio. Um, yeah, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, nasabi natin. Virgo is here. Yeah, Capricorn is here. Scorpio. Paulit-ulit tayo dun sa Scorpio. So which means that is very dominant, no? Even Taurus, Virgo, nandito din. So parang dun lang sila umiikot. Capricorn is here. Yeah, yun lang. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.